Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your address using your Apple ID. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to be in the app library. And now just go ahead and open settings. And after that, you just need to go on the top with your name on it. Just tap on there. Now all you need to do is just tap on this sign in and security option over here, right below the personal information. And now all you need to do is you can just go to this option payment and shipping, and once you're there you can see this billing address over here. Your billing address is your address, so you can just change it, or you can go to find my over here and you can choose to share your location. Like if you're in a different location will be automatically changed if you have an internet connection over there, or you can manually change it too. You just turn them off, or you can also send your last location. This is incredibly helpful if your device is either lost or damaged, or you cannot access it any longer. So guys, that's how you change your address in your Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.